had a lot of hair my whole life. I've always pretty much had long hair.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey, I'm Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about must-have shampoos from Walmart. I think a lot of people just assume that I always use like salon quality products. But I'm every hairdresser's probably worst nightmare because I never do, and I buy all my shampoo from Walmart. No lie. Over the years, I have tried multiple ones over and over until I got the result of my hair that I wanted, and I want to share it with you because I think maybe it could help other people out who have hair like mine or who need something on a budget, who can't afford to spend a lot of money. I think you'll be surprised that some of these are everyday shampoos that you see all the time. But I want to share with you what I do and how I use them in order to make them work the way I want them to. One of the first products that I use is Finesse. It's a couple dollars. I'll have everything linked down below so it'll let you know how much exactly that it is. But I use Finesse. This one I use is Restore and Strengthen Moisturizing Shampoo. You're gonna find a theme here in all my shampoos. I use like strengthening, moisturizing, and that type of thing. So you have to keep in mind that sometimes with these cheaper brands that sometimes the moisturizing can cause you to get a buildup. I recently had someone ask me, how do you use that shampoo? I always get such a buildup. Well, here's the trick. You don't use this shampoo over and over and over and never use anything else. You need to switch up your shampoos. Even in the past when I have tried to use high-end shampoos, I have to switch. Even if I'm using the most expensive one, after so long, I have to switch because I can start to feel a buildup on my hair and I do not like that feeling. So this is one of my go-to ones. It does such a nice job. It really helps smooth out my hair, but I will admit that a conditioner, pretty much a conditioner after all these, is a must. So let me show you the next one that is pretty much my fave, but not quite. It's my always go-to. All right, I know you all know some Aussie. I use the Miracle Volume Shampoo. This is pretty much my go-to almost all the time. I feel like this gives me a lot of volume. It really kind of helps tame my hair. But on top of that, it makes it feel super clean. I absolutely love the way that this one smells, but I have some weird thing where I love Aussie products the way they smell. Oh, have you guys ever tried their dry shampoo? It's amazing, but I can hardly ever find it. It's almost always sold out. Here where I live, I have to find it online. It works amazing, but keep this one in mind. This is definitely a go-to. Okay. So if you're one of those super conscious, you don't want sulfate, you want the vegan-free, cruelty-free, the whole 9 yards, then I suggest the Maui Moisture. This one provides you with all of those. I get the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo. It's for dry, damaged hair. I don't really have damaged hair, but I have really coarse, like, I don't know, it's just always had this like really dry texture to it. I am so fortunate. I know people who have to wash their hair like every day, and I literally can go usually 3 days without washing my hair because otherwise it would be so over dry. But if you're really into, you know, all the sulfate free and that kind of thing, this is a great option for you because obviously the other choices that I'm showing you, a lot of people would disagree with and say, oh, you shouldn't use those kind of shampoos, they have sulfate in it. But I say to each his own. You use what works for you and what you feel works best for your hair. Next, I gotta tell you, this is my all-time favorite. It's my go-to. I use it all the time. So I switch between the Finesse, the Aussie, and the Garnier Whole Blends. This stuff right here, if you want to get maximum clean for the longer period of time out of your hair, I'm telling you, this is the one. Years, I'm talking a lot of years I've been washing this hair, and when they first came out with this, I just picked it up on a whim and tried it, and honestly, my most favorite thing, I use the conditioner in this one with all of these products. So if I use the Finesse, I'll use the conditioner that goes with this. If I use the Aussie, I'll use the conditioner. It's absolutely my favorite. And of course, I love the cocoa butter smell. And this one is a smooths and controls frizzy hair, but they have it for all kinds of hair. So don't think that this is just for my type of hair. They have it for thin hair, straight hair, curly hair, you name it, they have a product for you. I wish this was sponsored, but these are just my own opinions that I feel that if you're looking for a shampoo when you go into Walmart, these are the ones to buy. I hope these shampoos give you some great ideas so you can just have a go-to shampoo when you need to just run into Walmart and get one and you don't need to sit there and think about it. So I hope these ideas helped you guys. These are just a couple of my favorite things. I wanted to share them with you. I always want to share with you what makes my life easier, so maybe I can make your life easier. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.